was late again. Ooh, she'd rather stay home, curled up in her bed with a book instead. But ooh, life's outside her front door. Clips up her hair, takes one look in the mirror, and it's never been clearer that this is her song. Just another hopeless romantic, caffeinated little dramatic in an age increasingly manic. She's just on the hunt for some magic. Look at her go, yeah. You'd never know. She's just another hopeless romantic, caffeinated little dramatic. It's a Friday night, turned on all her lights. Ooh, an open window.
I'm so tired of expectations, crushing fear I'll never make it. I can feel it running underneath. I'm so sick of my ambition, wishing I could be so brilliant, terrified it won't happen for me. Art defined by algorithm, we're just victims of the system. How did we end up playing